In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your current position on LinkedIn. Whether you're updating your profile with a new job, taking a break, or simply want to tidy up your online presence, knowing how to manage your LinkedIn profile is essential. Let's get started and we'll have it done in no time. First, open your preferred web browser and go to linkedin.com. Once the page is loaded, you'll need to log in. You can sign in using your Google or Microsoft account, or you can enter your email address and password. Make sure you have your login details handy. If two-factor authentication is enabled on your account, LinkedIn might send a verification code to your phone. Just fill in this code when prompted to complete your sign-in process. Now that you're on LinkedIn, look to the upper right corner of the page. You'll see your profile avatar picture. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select View Profile. This action will take you to your personal LinkedIn page, where you can see all your professional information and credentials. Scroll down to find the Experience section of your profile. This is where all your current and past job positions are listed. Identify the job you want to remove or update. Once you've found it, look for a small pencil icon next to the job title. This is the Edit icon. Click on it to open the job details for editing. If your aim is to completely remove this position from your profile, you'll want to click the Delete Experience option. A confirmation prompt will appear to ensure this is indeed your intention, as this action cannot be undone easily. Click Delete again to confirm your decision. Alternatively, if you merely want to stop a position from being marked as current while retaining the record, you have another option. Instead of deleting the job, you can simply uncheck the box that indicates you are currently working in that role. This will update your profile to reflect that you're no longer employed with that company, without losing the history of your employment there. After making your changes, it's crucial to remember the last step. To ensure all your edits are saved, click the Save button. Your LinkedIn profile will update, either reflecting the removed position or modifying it to no longer indicate that it's your current role. And there you have it. You've successfully managed to adjust your professional experience on LinkedIn to better reflect your current career path. Keeping your LinkedIn profile up to date is not only a good habit, but also a great way to ensure you're presenting your best professional self to potential connections or employers. Thanks for watching, and happy networking.